God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No.
Okay, so we had our fun with the Barbie makeup, but who's really a Bratz doll? I grew up literally loving Bratz. I've always been a Bratz girl more than a Barbie, so we're gonna transform into a Bratz doll. So here's the look that I'm gonna be recreating, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using an OG palette. This is Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. We're gonna be using some pinks. I'm gonna take the shade Lolly Mama and then Tipsy Girl, and I'm just gonna blend those out. With the Bratz, they didn't really go all the way up to the brow, but I'm just gonna like blend it like right below. The thing I love the most about Bratz dolls that they had that natural eye crease, and I have hooded eyes, so I just love that they naturally had that. It's gonna make this look a little harder, but we still gonna pull through. We're gonna make our eyes like cat eye looking. I'm gonna take the Tipsy Girl shade and just go over it. And I'm not gonna blend it too far out. Like, I'm not gonna make it too blended, if that makes sense, because I really want it to look like it's straight like a Barbie doll, but not Barbie, Bratz doll. Kind of looked like she had some purple there, and I'm just gonna go back with that pink and just blend it out. Okay, so in the inner corner she has like this white going on, and it goes in from like white to like a pink into the crease, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna use this white color, Certified, and then I'm also gonna use the same pinks just to blend it into the color. I'm not gonna cut the crease because I feel like that's gonna make it like too perfect in a way. I want it to really look like doll makeup. I'm gonna try to just blend it in and just make it look like really effortless. This hopefully doesn't look too much like my Barbie makeup because I'm trying to be a Bratz doll, okay? And just blend it. Really blend it in, and I'm gonna make it look like super seamless to where like the white almost disappears, and go in with the darker pink. Now I have to make my lid bigger because it will definitely get lost in my hooded eyes, so I have to like really play with this. Okay, so this is what we have for the eyes so far, and I feel like it's given. My lids is still showing, so that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance, and this is our eyeliner. It's actually two-sided, so this side is thin and this side is a thicker side. Now I feel like this point really matters. I have to really make it look like a cat eye in order for it to really bring the Bratz look together, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna start out with the thin side. With the Bratz, they actually start really thin here and it kind of gradually gets thicker. It also matters how you put your lash on. Their lashes like shows like more so at the end where it really wisp out. So I'm gonna end up putting on my lashes a way that I don't usually do, but just to really bring the cat eye together. So this is both of my eyes, and I feel like it's looking pretty good. Like I like that it's not too thick, but it's still got that cat eye going on. So now it's time to put on the lashes. So I'm not gonna completely place it because I kind of have like almond eyes in a way, but not really. So I'm actually gonna place it in the middle instead of in the beginning because I really want that cat look. And I'm gonna kind of go up. See? Yeah, see, it's giving. Now it's really giving. The Bratz dolls, they don't have lashes here, but it comes out in the end. Okay, I'm getting a little bit too excited. Let me relax. All right, y'all, so I did my face. Now it's time to do the under eye to just darken it a little bit more. I'm gonna take my thick side of the Black Radiance eyeliner. I have teary eyes, so I hope this doesn't go bad. Ooh, okay, that went better than I expected. So now she also has like a little bit of freckles, so I'm going to not use black. I'm going to go into my eyeshadow palette and take a small brush and just like dot it around with like a brown eyeshadow. I kind of messed up. I'm gonna take my brush that I used the powder with and just pat it in, make it look more seamless. Okay, so this looks much better. Now I'm going to just take my mascara and just okay. All right, y'all. So it's definitely giving brat doll. Now I am just going to use my NYX lip gloss, and this is in the shade Red Velvet. I feel like this is really gonna bring it together.
God wants to do in our life. Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise? Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source.
Okay, hold on, y'all, because I need to really capture this look. Oh, yes, it's giving I served on a platter. And what about it? First of all, don't even ask how I got this wig on my head, because it was a struggle, okay? It was a struggle. But we had to pull the look together, okay? And it's giving. I'm so happy I have the hat. Like, oh my gosh, I really look like a Bratz doll. That's crazy. I think I did a great job. I mean, y'all can't see my shirt, but I do have a red shirt on. That is all for this video, you guys. Please let me know what you guys think of this look down below. What do you guys think of the whole Bratz and Barbies thing? What do you prefer? Do you prefer Bratz, or are you more of a Barbie girl? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.